Welcome back to Blue Water Marine. Today we're going to talk about the Ultrex power switch. The models prior to 2020 and prior, this switch is not sealed, and we'll show you this in this video, which causes the Ultrex a lot of problems. The problems you'll see with this power switch is not being able to turn the blue light off, and then a lot of flickering. Your blue light will come and go. That's the majority of the symptoms you'll see with this. And we're going to show you how to change this. It's pretty simple. The only 3 tools you'll need is a flat tip, a pair of wire cutters, and a pair of pliers. Really all you've got to do is take a flat tip, and what this is, it just clips in. So I always start in the front, and then I'll hold it up and work it back. They don't always come that easy, but a lot of times put you some pressure on whichever opposite side that's hung, and then prise up. And so, as you can see here, this one plugs in. So, and be careful and don't lose your wires. If you lose your wires, you'll end up having to take your back plate off. So, as you can see, our old switch, there's the difference. What happens is a lot of water and corrosion get down in here, and it starts shorting out, and that's where you get your issues from. So there's no positive or negative. They're both. It's just it just breaks the circuit. So you can try to cut as close to this as possible. I say that way you have room to connect. So this is a wire splicer that Minn Kota provides. It'll go on one end of the power switch, and then the other will go on to the wire from the trolling motor. Most of the time you do have more wire to play with than this. So in this case, I'm going to hold it with a pair of needle nose, and just you want to make sure both sides are all the way in. As you can see, both ends are cramped, so that one's done. I'm going to take your second one. Usually the wires aren't this short. In this case, if yours is that short, get you a pair of needle nose, that way you can hang on to it. Feed it onto that wire, push it up, and then cramp. Just make sure that it's crimped. And then to set this back, all you gotta do is tuck the wires in and make sure it's stuck. And then once you get power to it, that'll get your power back going and correct your issues. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel.